In this video, you will learn how to make videos in PowerPoint. PowerPoint is easy to use application and it's freely available from Microsoft Office website. You simply have to create an account with Microsoft and you can download PowerPoint and install. This is probably the easiest way of making videos. You can make videos for YouTube. If you are a teacher, you can make videos for your online courses. And the easiest way to make tutorial videos is by using PowerPoint. Now, if you want to make a video, you must have some content. For example, if you are a math teacher, you might want to create some slides about your presentation first. And once you have those slides, then you create a video. So this is the process. Now, how to create slides? You can create slides in PowerPoint, as you know. But what I do is I create my slides in Canva. And this is my free Canva account. And as you can see that I have created some of these slides for my online courses. And I'm going to use two of these as an example. Keep in mind one thing, that when you create your design, because in the beginning you have to click on create a design, you should always use this presentation. You have created your slide like this. Then you simply download this as PNG. To do that, click on share, download, select PNG, download, and now I can save this as my slide 1 for my PowerPoint presentation. And let us take another one and I download this as well and save as slide 2. Now in my PowerPoint, I remove everything and your PowerPoint menu will look exactly like my one, except this last tab, because I am using a special add-on which you might not be using. And I also add one more blank slide. So now I have two blank slides. Now I simply click on insert picture and this device and select this first slide. And because the size was 16:9, it perfectly fits my slide. Similarly, I insert the second slide. And now I'm ready to create a short video based on these two slides. So I have turned off my camera so that I could explain the camera feature while making a video in PowerPoint as well. To make a video in PowerPoint, you have to click on slideshow and then there is a record button. And if you click on this little arrow, there are two options, from current slide and from beginning. You use the current slide option if you want to start from a particular slide, but in my case I am going to use from beginning. So I click on from beginning and now I see this screen. On this screen there are some controls. At the top there are record, stop and replay buttons. You can add some notes about each slide. Then you can clear the videos, clear recording on current slide or clear recording on all slides, because these videos, once you record them, they will be stored on top of your slides that I'm going to show you in a minute. And an important thing to note is that your final video will not have all these controls area. Your final video will only have this slide area covered. So whatever you are explaining inside this slide, and this slide will be in your video, not any of these controls. And I will show you in a minute. Then there are some settings, microphone settings, camera settings. In microphone settings, I can see all of my microphones, the microphone of my webcam, of my DSLR camera, a separate microphone, external microphone that I have attached, and also a microphone in my laptop that I have selected now. Then if I click on camera, I have two cameras, my DSLR camera and my webcam camera. I have selected the webcam, and if I click on that, my webcam is now turned on. So in this settings area, you turn on your microphone and you turn on your webcam. Then we have these left and right arrows to go between slides. At the bottom, we have these annotation tools. On the left, we have laser pointer. And if I click on that, I get this laser light, and that I can use to point out that specific part of my slide that I'm explaining right now. Then we have a pen tool that we can use to write or to draw on our slides. And then this eraser tool appeared. I can use this to remove my annotations. Then we have this highlighter tool that I can use to highlight any part of my slides. And the eraser tool can also remove these highlights. So these are some tools available. If you need more, you right click. Pointer options. These are the tools I showed you, and then there are some arrow options available. And now we are ready to make a video in PowerPoint. And to start recording, I click on record with 3, 2, 1. Now the recording has started and I'm going to explain my first slide, transfer function, negative feedback control system. I can explain this drawing, I can explain these equations. Then I move to the next section and I can explain my next slide, whatever is written here, moving blocks to create familiar forms. And this is what I'm explaining right now, and this is being recorded as a video. And when I'm ready to stop, I click on stop. So I wanted to create a short video, and now I click on this cross, go back to my slides, and now on both of my slides, this is the video showing my image at the lower right corner. But if, for example, I have more space on the left hand side, I can move this on my first slide on the left hand side, and on my second slide maybe I can move it right here. So you can make these adjustments after you have recorded the video. And if you want to play it, let me play. Now the recording has started and I'm going to explain my first slide. But this is not the final video. To make the final video, you click on File, Export, then you click on Create a Video, and then again Create Video. So I choose the folder, and in this folder I want to save this video. So let us keep the name presentation 1, otherwise you can give it a name, and click save. Then a progress bar will appear at the bottom of your slides, and keep an eye on this bar until this vanishes. And now it vanishes, so it means my video is ready. So I click on this folder and this is my video. If I click on that, and this is the video, and as you notice that no control appears on this final video. The final video has only the slide area covered. And when I go back to my second slide, my webcam image is at a different location where I put it. So this is probably the easiest way of creating videos by using PowerPoint. You have a lot of customization option. If you are using webcam, you can select the location of your image individually on every slide, wherever you get space. Because this is the problem with many other applications where you don't get this flexibility. So I hope now you will be able to make many tutorial videos very easily in PowerPoint. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. That I would highly appreciate. Thanks for watching and see you next time.